Enable ChatGPT voice to voice on iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store, search for ChatGPT. All you have to need, install or update the official ChatGPT app in your iPhone. Then go ahead and open the ChatGPT app. Continue. And then you have to sign into your ChatGPT account first of all. So log in. Then tap on this icon at the bottom right. Hi.
How's it going?
And this is my current ChatGPT voice. In order to change ChatGPT voice, just tap on this icon. Here you will find
Got it. If you need any help or have any
bunch of
questions,
different
feel free to
voice.
ask.
You can select any of them. I'm selecting this specific voice and tapping on start new chat. And let's see how it works. Hey,
Hey there. How's it going?
good. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What's on your mind today?
Can you tell me a joke?
Of course. Why don't skeletons fight each other?
I don't know.
Because they don't have the guts.
Great. So now you can easily go ahead and just use ChatGPT with voice just like this.